Hello students, good morning. Today we will study the tense. The tense. Dear students, what is the meaning of tense? There could be two meanings. Okay, there could be two meanings you can take. Tense is one, time. When we speak about time, that is only tense. Tense is time and time is tense. That we have to know. And one more tense is now it happened. I cannot accept that. She was beating me like anything. I was tense. I was tense. Okay. So that we are not talking about that tense. Okay. We are talking about the time. We are talking about the tense. Okay. Now let us understand the tense. What is tense? So dear students, you can see here the definition. Okay. You can see here the definition. Tense. Tense indicate the time. Tense indicate the time when an action or event occurs. Did you get something? Yes or no? No sir. Yes. Okay. I will make you understand. Okay. Tense indicate the time. Tense indicate the time which is happening now or which happened already in the past life. In the past life. Past life means yesterday. Okay. Yesterday. Okay. Now, and what is saying here? Action. What is saying? Action. What happened yesterday? What happened? I went to zoo. I went to zoo. I went to play. Okay. So that went word is telling about what? Past. That is telling about past and action that happened in the past. Okay, whatever the action happened in the past is telling that is action or event or event. Okay, occurs. Occurs means which happened. Which happened. Okay, which happened in the past or which is happening now or it will happen in the future. Okay, now this much you understood, I suppose. Okay, now so what is that? Event. Okay, tense indicate the time when an action or event occurs. Okay, event occurs. Now tense express. Tense express. Tense express means time. Time express the time. Okay. Time express the time or tense express the time about past. Okay. Which happened already yesterday. Present. Now. Okay. Present means which is happening now, today. Okay. Today. Now, and future. In the coming future means tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. So, dear students, we are talking about the tense. The tense or the time. Now, can you tell me how many tense are there? How many tense are there? Yes. Come on, tell me first. Yes. Sir, you have already written here. What is this? Past, present and future. How many tense are there? 3. How many tense are there? 3 tense are there. But when we write, we can write past tense, present tense and future tense. In that, what we have to add, because we are studying about tense. So, what we have to write here? Let us write now. The first, we are in the present. Now we are studying present. So, what we shall write here? Present tense. Okay? Present tense. Present tense. And then we will come to past tense. What is this? Past tense. Why I am writing? Because we are studying about tense. So, past tense. Okay? Now, third is what? Future. So, what shall we write here? Future tense. Okay? Future tense. You can rub. Okay? Future tense. Dear students, now what we have to care in this lesson, what we have to care, that is present tense, past tense and future tense. And simply we say means simple present tense. What is that? Simple present tense. So only I have written here present tense, past tense and future tense. And I talked about the how many tense are there. Then what you have to answer? There are three tense. There are three tense. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay. Now we'll see the simple, okay, simple, which is happening now, exactly, okay, or which will happen exactly, or which happened already, okay, simple. We'll speak about simple. Simple means I sing, what? I sing, I dance. This is what I am talking about. Simple, no? Simple. Simple means just subject and verb, okay, subject verb. We are talking about subject verb. Simple. No, you can see here. For example, I eat. I wrote here simple. What is this? I eat. What do you eat? I eat anything. Yes? I eat anything. Give me some more example. At least 2 or 3. Come on, tell me fast. You write. Yes. You write. Simple. I am talking about simple. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Okay? Simple present tense. This is as headings. Okay? This is like headings. Now we are talking about the simple present tense. Okay? Only we are talking about simple. Can you see? Simple. Okay? Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Now, you can see here, you can make some more giving by words. Okay? Giving by verbs, you can make some more examples. Come on, give me. I eat, you write, you go, okay? Don't forget to put full stop, okay? Now, what is that? Next, okay, you can write like that, many more, okay? Now, we'll come to past tense. Past tense, we'll come to past tense. What is this past tense? Which already happened, You know, yesterday, what happened? I was laughing so much. That already passed. But what did I do? I laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Now we have to write the ed in the verb. Okay. Now we are putting the second form. We are putting the second form. Second form, you know, the verb forms. Okay. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Okay. Laugh, laughed, laughed, laughing, laughs. Okay. Eat. Here you can see here. Eat, ate. If suppose I write here with this eat past form, then what shall we write here? Eat, ate. I ate. What will be there? I ate. And if I write here about you, then what I shall write? You wrote. You wrote. Okay. Write, wrote, written. Writing, writes. That you have to remember the verb forms. You have to remember the verb forms. Okay. Don't worry. I will give you the verb forms and you will remember that. And it will be easy to learn. Okay. It will be easy to learn. And you will be able to speak. Otherwise, you will speaking now. You are speaking now. Then what you will say? You will say, I was eating. I was dancing. You are talking about now, and then you are talking about the past tense. You are talking about the past tense. So what we have to learn? We have to know that now, about now. Okay, exact time we will learn. Okay, exactly we will learn. Okay, I laughed. I ate, you wrote, and you go, you go. What is this? You went. What will be there? You went. Okay, you went. You went. You went. Yes. Now here, future tense. Come to the future tense. Now, dear students, what we have to pay attention in the future tense, that there is a helping verb. There is a helping verb we have to put in the future tense. And what is that helping verb? Will and shall. What we have to remember? Will and what you have to write? Helping verb. Okay. Helping verb is what? Will. Let us write shall first. Shall. Will. Okay. These two are there. The helping verbs for future tense. Simple future tense. And now we shall make the sentence in simple way. In simple way. So what shall we do? What shall we write? I shall eat. I shall eat. When will you eat? I say eat. When? Maybe in the afternoon or tomorrow. Okay? So it is talking about the future. You have to take this first form. Eat, right, go. So I shall eat. I shall go. Then next, come on, tell me one more sentence. You tell me about me. You shall laugh. You shall laugh. L-A-U-Z-H. Okay? Laugh. Like this sentence you can make many more. Okay? Many more you can make it. Dear students, now we can see the book. We can see the book. Okay? Now look at the book. Please take page number 39. Page number 39, chapter 16. and that is about the tense, the tense time. Now the tense. Now already we have known about the tense, so let us go on seeing the book. The tense: simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense, simple future tense. Now eat, I eat in the simple present tense. Okay, we have learned here many. Okay, we have learned many. So simple past. Okay, simple past. Then simple future tense. Okay, I shall eat, I shall go, you shall laugh, you shall sing. Okay, you shall sing, you shall dance. Okay, like that. Now look at these pictures and study the sentences carefully. I play cricket daily. I play cricket daily in simple present tense. In simple present tense. Okay? In simple present tense. Here the verb play. Here the verb play. In the book it is given play. So we have not written here play. So let us take eat only. Okay? Eat only. It speaks of an action. Okay, what is happening? Speaking about the eating action. No, how I eat, like this. No, so that is telling about the action. That is expressing the action or event. Okay, I took in the party. I took in the party what? Chicken. I did not prefer chicken, but I preferred mutton. Yes. So that is eat. So telling about the event that happened in the present. Okay, that is happening in the present. That is expressed now. Here the verb play or eat speaks of an action which is done in the present time. Which is done in the present time. So these all is speaking about the present tense. Which is done. Okay, which is done in the present time. Hence the verb eat, play, okay, eat, play is said to be the simple present tense. Is said to be the simple present tense. That you have to know. Now if we are asked to recognize the simple present tense, how shall we read? How shall we recognize that this is simple present tense or past tense or future tense? Of course, we can recognize. This is very simple. Okay? In the present tense, what is there? The first form. The verb will be the first form. And in the past tense, what will be there? In the verb, what will be the second form? Okay? Second form. And the third will be in the future tense. What shall be? How we will recognize? We shall. Okay? With the word shall. With a helping verb, shall we will recognize. Okay? So this is about the chapter we are talking about. And second number, you can see, I played cricket yesterday. When did you play? Yesterday I played. Yesterday. Here the verb played. Okay? Here the verb played. Okay? Eat, laugh. Not eat, ate, laughed, rode, went. Okay? Speak of an action which was done. Which was done in the past. In the past means yesterday. Okay? Hence the verb played, okay, laughed, eat, rode, went, okay, is said to be the simple past tense. Is said to be the simple past tense. Now come to the future tense. Future tense. I will, shall. I told in the beginning only they have been verb, shall and will. Okay, shall and will. So can you see here? Shall and will. Look at the book also and look at me also. Okay. So here the verb will, shall, verb will, shall, play denotes an action. So these are words. Okay. Denotes what? Denotes the future time, future tense, future time. Okay. Hence, the verb will and shall, will and shall. Play, eat, go, laugh is said or are said to be in the simple future tense. In the simple future tense. Thus, there are three main tense. Okay? There are three main tenses. Okay? There are three main tenses. Okay? Simple present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay? So, now I can put you or give you the question and you have to answer. How many tenses are there? How many tenses are there? There are three tenses. Okay, which are those? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, future tense. Now, dear students, now take the book and look at it. Read the sentences and tick the correct column. Tick the correct column. So you can see here. You can see here. Number one. Number one. You can see here. Okay. You can see here. I play tennis on Sundays. I play tennis on Sundays. And you have to recognize. You have to recognize the sentences and then you have to tick. So which will be in which tense? Okay. I play tennis on Sundays. So this will be in the present tense. This will be in the present tense. Okay. So how do we recognize? I play tennis on Sundays because I play is there. Okay. Same way we had studied as I eat, you write, you go. Okay. So this is okay. This is how you can make. This is how you can recognize the tense. Second number. We will go to Kashmir. We will go to Kashmir. Look at here. Okay. We will go to Kashmir. So this is talking about the future tense. Okay. I had told you the helping verb shall and will, that is used as a verb, that is used as a verb. Shall eat, shall go, shall laugh. Okay. So like that you can make. Now take your copy and book and start writing. Start writing. So dear students, here we end this chapter. Okay, and we will see the next